Kitchen vocabulary. Tea maker. Coffee maker. Toaster. Kettle. Mixer. Refrigerator. Blender. Microwave. Dish soap. Kitchen scale. Pedal bin. Grill. Apron. Bread basket. Bowl. Teapot. Measuring cup. Baking tray. Timer. Spice container. Chopping board. Grater. Pie plate. Salad spinner. Colander. Butter dish. Oven glove. Napkin. Chopsticks. Rolling pin. Measuring spoon. Whisk. Wooden spoon. Strainer. Steak hammer. Spoon. Spatula. Mesh skimmer. Cleaver. Ladle. Knife. Kitchen shears. Fork. Cutlery. Corkscrew. Saucepan UK, pot US. Frying pan. Pressure cooker. Wine glass. Water goblet. Margarita glass. Hurricane glass. Champagne flute. Cocktail glass. Irish coffee glass. Cognac balloon. Plastic cup. Mug. Beer mug. Weizen glass. Teacup. Demitasse. Footed Pilsner glass. Shot glass.